Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're a new viewer, thanks for opening our channel. If you're an old viewer, thanks for coming out to check out our channel. So today we'll be learning how to bleach our palm oil. So all you need to do is to get your pot, put your pot on fire, and make sure the heat is low, like very low. Then next thing to do is to get your palm oil, get the amount you want to bleach, the exact amount. Then you pour it into the pot on fire. Now make sure it is on low heat, like it has to be on low heat. And then remember, this is palm oil. If you don't want the whole house smoking and everybody coughing and all of that, all you need to do is to cover the pot. So after putting the palm oil inside the pot, you have to cover the pot. You cover the pot and you allow it sit there on fire for 15 to 20 minutes on low heat. Like I said, on low heat. Please make sure it is on low heat so that the whole house doesn't start smoking and everybody starts coughing. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, after subscribing, kindly turn on the notification bell. Thank you. So as you can see, the palm oil is already bleaching gently. It's already bleaching slowly. So because it's on low heat, it's not yet smoking, but I'm going to actually cover it up and allow it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. So after 15 minutes, I did mine for 15 minutes, so you can do 15 to 20. After 15 minutes, this is the oil. As you can see, this is the same palm oil that was on fire, and as you can see, it is already bleached, like it is bleached. So this oil now, you can use it to make sauce, you can use it to fry anything you want to fry. Yeah, it is our palm oil we bleached to this. So, and this can last. You just store it in a container. You can either put it in the cupboard or you can put it inside the fridge, any of the above, and then it can last you for like 6 months, from 6 months to like a year. Yes, so yeah, it can last that long, 6 months to a year. So please make sure this cools down before opening it. Mine cooled down a bit, but it's still hot, so I won't be turning it into my container yet. I will turn it into a container or into a bottle after it fully cools down, because this is still slightly hot. So make sure it cools down fully before you open it, so that the whole house doesn't start smoking. Like I said, thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye.